Ever wondered if your credit card could actually pay you back for simply living your life? What if every dollar you spent on groceries, gas, or even your monthly phone bill put a little something extra back in your pocket? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not, and for Rogers customers, especially, this isn't just a fantasy, it's how Rogers Bank Cashback works. In a world where every penny counts, optimizing your spending is key. We're all looking for ways to stretch our budgets further, to make our money work harder for us. And one of the most effective, yet often misunderstood, tools for doing just that is a good cashback credit card. But not all cashback programs are created equal. Some offer flat rates, others have rotating categories, and then there are those that truly shine for loyal customers of a particular brand. That's where Rogers Bank comes into play, offering a cashback system specifically designed to reward its mobile, internet, and TV subscribers. Forget complicated points systems or obscure redemption options. Rogers Bank's cashback program is built on simplicity and value, especially if you're already part of the Rogers ecosystem. We're going to break down exactly how you can maximize your earnings, understand the different rates, and unlock the full potential of your Rogers Bank credit card. This isn't just about getting a few dollars back, it's about smart financial habits, understanding the power of your everyday spending, and essentially getting a discount on the services you already use. So, let's dive deep into the mechanics of Rogers Bank Cashback and discover how you can turn your spending into savings. At its core, Rogers Bank's cashback program is pretty straightforward. You use your Rogers Bank credit card for eligible purchases, and you earn a percentage of that spending back as cash. Simple, right? But the magic, and the real value, comes in the details of the earning rates and, more importantly, the redemption bonus you get as a Rogers, Fido, or Shaw customer. Let's start with the earning side of things. Rogers Bank offers different cashback rates depending on whether you're a Rogers, Fido, or Shaw customer with an eligible service. This is a crucial distinction. If you are a Rogers, Fido, or Shaw customer with an eligible service, and this includes postpaid mobile plans, internet, TV, home phone, home monitoring, or satellite plans, you're automatically in a better earning tier. You'll typically earn 2% unlimited cash back on all eligible purchases made in Canadian dollars. This is a fantastic baseline rate for a no annual fee credit card. Think about it. Every time you swipe your card for groceries, pay for gas, or make an online purchase, you're getting 2 cents back for every dollar you spend. This adds up surprisingly quickly over the course of a month or year. Now, for those of you who might not be Rogers, Fido, or Shaw customers, you're still eligible for cash back, but at a slightly lower rate. Generally, non-Rogers customers will earn 1% cash back on all eligible purchases in Canadian dollars. While 1% is still decent, especially for a no annual fee card, it clearly highlights the benefit of being a Rogers family customer. But wait, there's a special category for spending in US dollars. If you're a Rogers customer with an eligible service, you can earn an impressive 3% cash back on eligible purchases made in US dollars. If you're not a Rogers customer, this rate is usually 2%. This is a significant advantage for frequent cross-border shoppers or those who travel to the U.S. The foreign transaction fee, which is typically 2.5% on most credit cards, is also applied to Rogers Bank cards. However, the higher cashback rate on USD purchases effectively offsets this fee and still leaves you with a net positive return. So, if you're regularly making purchases in US dollars, this card truly shines. It's important to understand what constitutes an eligible purchase for cash back. Generally, this refers to everyday spending on goods and services. However, there are common exclusions across most credit card programs, and Rogers Bank is no exception. Things like cash advances, balance transfers, interest charges, fees, insurance premiums, and payments to your credit card account itself typically do not qualify for cash back. Always refer to the detailed terms and conditions provided by Rogers Bank for a complete list of exclusions. So, you're earning cash back on your purchases. Great. But how do you actually get that money back? This is where the redemption process comes in, and for Rogers, Fido, and Shaw customers, this is where the real bonus lies. The beauty of Rogers Bank's cash back is its simplicity. There are no complicated points conversions. Every dollar of cash back you earn is equal to $1 you can redeem. The minimum redemption amount is typically 10 Canadian dollars. Once you've accumulated at least $10 in cash back, you have a couple of primary ways to redeem your rewards. First, and arguably the most popular method, is redeeming through the Rogers Bank mobile app. This is incredibly convenient. You can browse your recent transactions, usually within the last 90 days, and choose to apply your cash back directly against any eligible purchase of $10 or more. This means if you spent $50 on groceries and you have $50 in cash back, you can effectively erase that grocery purchase from your statement. It's a quick and easy way to see immediate value from your rewards. Second, you can also redeem your cash back through your online Rogers Bank account. The process is similar to the app, allowing you to select eligible purchases to apply your rewards against. Now, for the big kicker, the Rogers Redemption Bonus. This is the game changer for Rogers, Fido, and Shaw customers. When you redeem your accumulated cash back towards eligible Rogers, Fido, or Shaw purchases, you get a 1.5 times bonus on your redemption value. What does this mean? It means your $100 in cash back rewards can be redeemed for a value of $150 when applied towards things like your monthly Rogers, Fido, or Shaw bill, a new phone purchase from a Rogers, Fido, or Shaw store, or even accessories. This effectively turns your 2% earning rate into a 3% cash back value when redeemed within the Rogers ecosystem. Let's illustrate this with an example. Imagine you've accumulated $100 in cash back. If you apply that $100 towards a non-Rogers purchase, you get a $100 credit on your statement. Simple. But if you apply that same $100 towards your Rogers internet bill, a Fido phone upgrade, or a Shaw TV package, that $100 becomes $150 in value. That's an extra 50% value just for being a loyal customer and using your rewards wisely. This bonus makes the Rogers Bank credit card incredibly compelling for anyone who already uses Rogers, Fido, or Shaw services. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.